got to do something we like to call social media check-in.
All right, our first one comes from Brown Michelle saying, "Hey Brad, good day. This is Angie Love. I love watching your show on Facebook. I'm a naturalized citizen on Medicaid Section 8 food stamps. My son receives SSI. Will this affect filing for him? He overstayed. If I get off today and start filing, is there a period in which I have to be off in order not to be denied for filing for him?"
3 years off, yes.
The next one comes from Abel Robinson, and he says, "I am at NVC stage, excuse me, but now a Nigerian living in Nigeria. Can travel ban affect me because I filed my application before the ban took effect, or did I need a waiver?"
There is no waiver for the travel ban. If you're trying to get an immigrant visa abroad from Nigeria, you're not getting it right now.
Tammy saying, "Does the public charge affect me if I filed before 10/15?
If you filed an adjustment before 10/15, it's not a problem. If it's an I-130 only, it does affect you.
This one comes from Shaikh Ibram. He says, "My brother is a citizen. He filed for my I-130 last year. Can I apply for a visitor's visa in case if I didn't get the visa, does it affect my case, which already filed for me?"
You can always file for a visitor's visa, but if your brother's already filed a green card for you, you're not getting a visitor's visa because you've already shown an intent to get a green card and not an intent to visit and return home.
Janice William Smith saying, "Would a speeding ticket stop you from getting your citizenship? My son went to an interview." And
No, it won't. There's no law that says bad driver, no citizenship.
Deji says, "Squad, a friend of mine and his friend came in together, but they have been divorced before they came in for vacation. Is it going to be difficult for my friend to adjust his status since his else wife refused to travel back?"
No, your ex-wife has no bearing on whether you get a green card or not.
Nikki saying, "My husband has a 7-year-old in Antigua. He is an American citizen. Can the child come here? He adjusts the child's status." So I guess the husband is an American citizen, and they want to know if they can bring the 7-year-old from Antigua and adjust
If the child was born when the father was already a citizen, that child's probably a U.S. citizen as it is. You can come with a visitor's visa with the intent of visiting, and if you file an adjustment after 90 days, you can. But if you come with an intent to visit and get a green card, you got a problem, even as a 7-year-old.
Next one comes from Emmanuel Waif. He says, "Our sister is a U.S. citizen and she filed an I-130 F4 for my brothers in 2011. The brothers are not married, but they are above 25, and also the brothers are located in Ghana. How long does it take?"
2011?
2011.
About 4 more years.
Samantha saying, "I just became a U.S. citizen. I will be filing for my elderly mother. If USCIS imposed a bond for her because of this new public charge rule, how does the bond work?"
You pay it, and then once your mother is here for a certain amount of time or until she's a citizen, forgot the exact amount of time, then you get the money back, and as long as she did not take any government assistance.
Okay, this one comes from Better Life Records. They ask, "Squad up, Brad. If a petition was filed September of last year from Jamaica, will it be affected by the public charge rule from October 2019 for petitioners filing from overseas?"
Yes.
George saying, "What about the appeal of reopen because my mom filed an appeal after she didn't send the birth certificate in original language?"
Don't appeal that. That was denied lawfully. You didn't follow directions and submit the right birth certificate. So you're appealing nothing. You're appealing what was a right decision by immigration, refiling it.
All right, Sweet Dot asked, "I want to file for citizenship, but I traveled out of the country for 7 months because I was weak to travel. Can I show proof of pregnancy as proof for not abandoning residence?"
You can show proof of pregnancy. You could also get a letter from a doctor saying that you were not allowed to travel.
Yeah.
Okay, last one for now. Hamid Sodik saying, "Hey Brad, my case is SIJ SIJ, and I got my I-360 petition approved and got an RFE for an I-485. And it's been 100 days, still no decision. What should I expect?"
I don't know what the RFE was for. Then I can tell you what to expect.
All right.
All right. With that being said, this year is the Chinese New Year. The lunar year of the rat.
Yes, it is.
I don't like the rat
I
year.
don't either. We
I'm
don't
not
like
liking
rats.
that rat year.
Yeah.
Well, it was celebrated on January 25th to February 8th. Not that I don't like the Chinese New Year, I just don't like the rat. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.